First of all, if you don't already know how to use the topic marker, this is more of an intermediate lesson. So first learn that. I have a link to a video in the description that teaches the topic marker. But for a quick summary, again, to use the topic marker, it's the un after a consonant or a nun after a vowel. And what the topic marker does is it's kind of like you're holding up a sign whenever you're having a conversation, and whatever the topic marker comes after tells everyone you're talking to that is the topic of what you're talking about. So if you were to start a sentence saying 저는, as for me, it's kind of like now you're holding up a sign that says 저, so everything that I'm talking about is going to be about me. Well, as for me, when it comes to me, let's talk about me. So kind of like that. That's the purpose that the topic marker serves, which is why you don't normally need to use the topic marker more than once. You can just say 저는, well, I like pizza, my hobbies are this, I'm 33 years old, or whatever you want to say. You don't have to keep saying 저는 for every single sentence because it's already introduced once. But then why would some sentences have two topic markers in them? And is that okay to do? And how can you do that? So let's look at an example sentence. 저는, as for me, so now we're talking about me here. When it comes to me, let's talk about me. Well, I like pizza. 저는 피자를 좋아하는데 치킨 피자는, so we're not just talking about me now, we're talking about chicken pizza. So now the sign says chicken pizza on it. As for chicken pizza, well, when it comes to chicken pizza, let's talk about chicken pizza now. 싫어요. It's not good. I dislike it. We get this meaning of, as for me, I like pizza, but as for chicken pizza, I don't like it. That seems a bit unnecessary if you think about it in English, right? Just say 저는 피자를 좋아하는데 치킨 피자를 싫어해요 with the object marker. But no, with this sentence, we're going to be using two. What that does is this adds contrast to your sentence. Specifically, the first part of your sentence marked with the topic marker is going to be contrasted now with the second part of the sentence. So we're contrasting two sentences here. As for chicken pizza and as for me, I like pizza. So here is really what you're saying. And this is the reason why I really like the translation of as for me, well, I like pizza, but as for chicken pizza, I don't like it. So this extra contrast comes from using two topic markers like this, and it's totally fine to do as long as both sentences are related to each other. So it has to actually be able to show a contrasting situation. You can't just say, well, I like pizza, but as for charsu, well, charsu's busy today. They wouldn't contrast because they don't have anything to do with each other. Why even use two topic markers in the first place? Well, it shows contrast. But again, you could just say this. 저는 피자를 좋아하는데 치킨 피자를 싫어해요. Now we don't have a second one. As for me, well, I like pizza, but I don't like chicken pizza. And that would be perfectly fine, but this would not show the added contrast that we do get by using two topic markers. So instead of saying, well, I like pizza, but when it comes to chicken pizza, I don't like that. Instead of that, you're just now saying me. As for me, we're only talking about me. I like pizza, but I don't like chicken pizza. And both are okay, but have different meanings. So here's an example that also shows contrast, but with something different, a second person. 저는, so as for me, we're going to talk about me now. 피자를 좋아하는데, yeah, I like pizza. But as for charsu, when it comes to charsu, so now we're talking about charsu now. 싫어해요. charsu doesn't like pizza. So this would be kind of like saying, well, I like pizza, but charsu doesn't. So I like pizza contrasted with charsu doesn't like pizza. And in fact, in this sentence, the best way to make it would be using two topic markers like this. You wouldn't really be able to make it any other way because you are showing you like pizza, but charsu doesn't like pizza. So in this case, it's actually necessary to use two topic markers. Know though that you do have to have some sort of real contrast though. You can't just say something like 저는 피자를 좋아하는데 초콜릿은 건강에 안 좋아요. I like pizza, but chocolate is not good for your health. I mean, it doesn't logically really make sense anyway. However, you could say 저는 피자를 좋아하는데 피자는 건강에 안 좋아요. So I like pizza, but as for pizza, it's not really good for you. So you could say something like that since there would be contrast. But yeah, feel free to use more than one topic in your sentence, as long as you understand that you're creating that stronger contrast or emphasis in your sentence. So how have you seen 2 topic markers used before? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. I will see you guys again next time. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.